Hello everyone, I just received my package from Go Mouthwash and I'm so excited to unbox these. So they have a 20 unit pack and then they also have a 5 unit pack. So these are so pocket friendly and very convenient and easy to use. You can just throw them in your suitcase. So this is what they look like. They come in this awesome little package, and so you just take one out like this, and all you have to do is tear off the corner and then you're all set. They are so quick and easy to use. So this is what a single package looks like, and it actually has a clear formula, which is great for everyone, especially me, because it will not stain your clothes. And then this is also very safe because it's alcohol free. The packaging feels so nice and durable, and these are great for so many things, including traveling, Airbnbs, business events, guest bathroom, a wedding, showers, stocking stuffers, gift baskets, restaurant restrooms, first dates, and so much more. I just love how convenient these Go Mouthwash packs are, and they meet all of the guidelines for traveling. So you can just throw these in your purse and then you're all set. Or for men, they fit perfectly right into your pocket. But these are just so amazing because they leave me with the most fresh breath, and they also make me feel super confident as well. So it's a win-win. Overall, I was really impressed with these Go Mouthwash packets because I've never seen anything like these, and they make my life so much easier. So I would highly recommend these as a gift to your friends and family, and be sure to go check out their website.